Say ah. All right. Are you hungry? Yeah.
Hold on, hold on. You're gonna stick the fish right in front of you.
You can put mine with hers.
Keep them covered because the birds are already yours.
Oh wow. They're hungry.
Okay.
Poop on her head.
Okay, Brendan. Look. Look. I'm gonna put it in his mouth. It's okay. They're not gonna get you, honey. Watch. Let mommy get a fishy and I'll show you what to do. Mommy get a birdie. Now blowhole.
Rose.
Come here, baby. It's not. No, it's not. Don't hold that in the air. The birdies will get it, Brendan. Okay, let's wait for a dolphin to come get us. For a dolphin to come over here. Booty, booty. On the fishy. Honey, how's she there? How's she go? Oh, smack me in the face. Okay, I'm coming.
They don't even care. You can slap at them and they don't really
just
move.
hit me in the face. Okay.
Put it in the mouth.
Grab it by the tail.
It's waiting for you.
Put it, drop it down.
There you
Don't
go.
let the bird get
Mommy,
Okay,
Mommy,
okay.
you can get the last one.
Put that right there.
Mommy just petted him. He's so soft.
Mommy, put your
You want to pet him?
Mommy, his tail's chipped.
Huh? He's got under his chin. When you look, put a fish up here. Look, this is how you do it.
Mommy,
You
can
put
I
a fish
drop
up here. Like that.
Mommy, the tail's sticking. Mommy,
I'll get his tail.
Mommy, you can do the two others.
They don't have tails. Here, this is a tail. You want some fishy, Anna?